Hey everyone! Get ready for fiery explosions in nature's fury. From cars blazing like fireworks to landslides smashing homes like a Hollywood scene. Just a heads up, this is for fun, and a tiny reality check. In real life, safety should be the only thing that goes full blast. Didn't even finish fueling and the vehicle already decided to ignite its own fuel. The explosion occurred during CNG refueling, the moment of highest gas pressure. Hiding foreign objects in the tank caused uneven pressure distribution, leading to leaks and a blast. Microwaving eggs doesn't cook them, it arms them. Each one is a mini pressure bomb waiting to explode. Wow! Even if I had to pay a hefty price for this cocktail, I'd still volunteer to experience it. The incident serves as a reminder of the hidden risks in operating public transport vehicles. The Statue of Liberty cosplaying as Thor, torch in hand, summoning lightning. A tiny crack in a gas pipe, a stray spark, enough to turn a neighborhood into a disaster zone. No one expects a quiet morning to start with an earth-shaking boom. Ordered a hot dish, the restaurant delivered a fire show with bonus fire hose. Well, that was quite a cozy birthday party. The restaurant's fire suppression system worked impressively well.
Fire in the hole!
Cars floated like leaves. Houses crumbled like paper boxes. People climbed rooftops, desperately seeking rescue. Just 10 seconds of negligence, enough to wipe out decades of production. Investing in safety is never wasted. A building collapses in seconds, but rebuilding the lives of survivors may take years.
Four, three, two, one, fire.
The sound of ignition today powers the dreams that lie beyond Earth. This is more than a test. It's the voice of a spacefaring future.
Ignition and liftoff. Pupils pitching downrange.
Every successful Falcon 9 landing brings SpaceX one step closer to commercialized space travel. Reusability isn't the future, it's the new standard, as shown in Starlink Mission 21. Technology makes life easier, but mishandling it can turn convenience into catastrophe. Avoid overnight charging or placing devices near flammable materials like curtains, sofas, or wooden floors. One collision, one explosion. Luckily, no one was too close when the gas tank blew up. A strong warning for those who still think explosions only happen in movies. Be careful with your water filters, folks. Luckily, this time it was just cold water. Bum, bum, bum. A domino set up LPG style. Didn't even make it to the grand opening, already had a grand explosion. That lucky opening combo might have been a little too strong. When the steel factory suddenly changed careers to perform musical fountain shows, Molten Metal Edition at 1500 DC.
Не надо. Не туши ты, бля, снегом, а? Пиздец, смотри, что делает, бля.
Helicopter. I didn't mean to crash, just wanted to land with style. The power grid disagreed. A small mistake with the battery can lead to unimaginable consequences. Charge properly and avoid cheap products, everyone.
Gasolina borbulhando, gerando vapor da gasolina e gerando...
Because life wasn't dramatic enough, we decided to cosplay a mini Molotov indoors. A car fire in a tunnel is every transit system's nightmare. Thankfully, 1.7 foam system knocked it down fast, saving lives and the structure.
Сейчас. Давай.
One malfunction, the entire aircraft snapped in half. There's no such thing as a minor accident in aviation. Every crash comes with a costly lesson. The Bees River doesn't go around, it goes through. Everything in its path becomes part of the terrain buffet. Eight kilometers isn't a short distance. A basic data entry mistake led to a disaster-level outcome. Where was the target verification system? fire to inflate a tire might seat the bead quickly, but it's extremely dangerous if you don't control the gas and flame. In Vietnam, power lines don't just conduct electricity, they ignite passion.
Em thì mới nghe hả?
Don't let loose cargo turn into a road hazard. A moment of caution ensures a safe journey. Rhoda's risky performance, the car's broken, the pole's down, and the couple is left wondering, what kind of entertainment is this? A police chase ensued in the U.S. as officers pursued a burning vehicle speeding down the highway. Despite warnings, the suspect continued, prompting officers to use the pit maneuver to stop the vehicle. The chase ended with the truck disabled, the suspect arrested, and no casualties. This decisive action prevented a potential major accident. The girl handled the situation with remarkable calmness and composure, efficient and well executed. However, don't unbuckle your seatbelt too quickly. Someone might hit you while you're calling the police, your insurance company, or others. Leaving a car under the blazing sun with a power bank overloading, and boom, it explodes. Luckily, no one was hurt. parking anywhere as if every spot is home. Perhaps from today, this driver will realize this is the right place to park. A strong contender for the Worst Driver Award, reckless overtaking, driving on the sidewalk, spinning around, and ending up flipped over, trying to break a record on his own. A carjacker causes chaos in Colorado initially. He steals a red SUV from a gas station with a 4-year-old boy inside. After the incident makes the news, he steals a yellow minivan, driving the wrong way on a highway in Denver. Eventually, he hijacks a third vehicle, forcing a woman out of her car before fleeing. After crashing the vehicle and running on foot, he is eventually captured by the police. A delivery not only expensive but also costly for the lesson learned. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.